बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन। द सवेरे में आबिद शरीफ आपको खुशामदीद कहता है। वेलकम, मरहबा। सो वी विल टॉक विद द मार्केटिंग मैनेजर jayakrishnan, so they will tell us what they are providing.
See, first of all, Masterbaker, as you were saying, we are a bakery and pastry ingredients traders in the Middle East. Our headquarters is in UAE. We are a 28-year-old company.
Okay.
We have more than 1,200 products in our range. Largest liquid egg manufacturer also. We cater to more than 800 plus customers.
So what is the best product which is you got award or you have something?
You can use it for omelette, we can use it for scrambled eggs, but otherwise it's a very natural product. We don't do any additives or anything to it.
Selling the frozen item or the fresh item also you deliver. Thank you very much for your time. बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन। द सवेरे में आबिद शरीफ आपको खुशामदीद कहता है। वेलकम, मरहबा। तो राइट नाउ वी आर हियर इन अबू धाबी and we are right now with us Master Bakery in all over the Middle East. They are providing the product, fresh ingredient also from the bakery, from the pastry, all over. So we will talk with the marketing manager jayakrishnan, so they will tell us what they are providing. Sir, thank you very much for your time.
Good afternoon and welcome to UAE.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Sir, can you please tell us how many kind of ingredient you are providing to the hotel and to other restaurant and bakeries?
Sure. See, first of all, Masterbaker, as you were saying, we are a bakery and pastry ingredients traders in the Middle East. So our headquarters is in UAE. We are a 28-year-old company.
Okay.
We have more than 1,200 products in our range, starting from ingredients to finished products is what we are offering right now. And in addition to trading, we also have our own production house in Dubai, which we do liquid eggs. We are one of the region's largest liquid egg manufacturer also.
Okay.
So in total, as I was saying, we have 1,200 plus SKUs. We cater to more than 800 plus customers.
800 plus customer in UAE or all over the Middle East?
No, it's all over the places there we are. We are predominantly in UAE, Oman, Bahrain, Qatar, Saudi, and we operate through distributors in Maldives, Sri Lanka, and in Kuwait.
Okay. So main head office in UAE.
Yes, our head office is in UAE.
So what is the best product which is you got award or you have something?
The best product that we sell is of course our liquid eggs that we manufacture, because that goes into all categories of customers, be it hotels or supermarket chains or industrial bakeries, because you need to make a cake, you need to make a muffin. So
yes,
for every product you need eggs. So egg is one of the if you shortlist top 5 SKUs in a bakery, egg comes in top 3 after sugar and flour.
Okay.
So this is one of the most selling product for us.
Selling product from the Masterbaker.
Yes.
And this egg is also using for the omelette?
You can use it for omelette, we can use it for scrambled eggs. Anything other than a sunny side up, the other applications we can use our liquid.
But it looks like a fresh or a little bit liquid?
No.
When we make a scrambled egg?
No, we have two options. We have a plain whole egg, which for making scrambled egg might not be so convenient, because some of the customers say it's a bit liquid. But what happens is when we pasteurize it, you break the contents of proteins and it goes a bit liquid. But otherwise it's a very natural product. We don't do any additives or anything to it. And we have a product called omelette mix, where we add some dairy cream to it and some gelling agent, so that the product will be a bit more thicker. So we can give classification to
and
products.
What about the croissant and this all things? You are selling the frozen item or the fresh item also you deliver?
We don't do fresh items because of the geographies. Like UAE is a very climate is very challenging, so it is difficult to deal with fresh products, because croissant is something that you have to serve in a breakfast, and we serve breakfast from 6:30 until around 9:30. So covering all the hotels will be challenging. So what we provide is a frozen solution.
Frozen as well. You are.
Yeah, we provide only frozen solutions, so the baking can be done at in-house.
And,
end of the day, you get a fresh croissant in the morning.
Okay. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.
You would like to give some message to the viewer from your what did you have experience in Masterbaker?
No, only one concern is eat healthy, stay healthy, and be safe.
Okay.
And
Thank you.
wish you all the best.
Thank you, Mr.
Yeah?
Krishna.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Yeah.